So I'm going to show you guys how to add patches on a pair of jeans or pants. In this case, I have this pair of shorts that I have. I missed adding patches to. Basically, I finished one leg and one on the back, but I noticed that the front one of the fronts I didn't add one. Um, so I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So basically, you have to turn the uh, jeans or shorts inside out, and then here are the holes. There's one, and then there's one another on a right above it. So basically, I have these strips of denim. These are denim strips. So kind of have to determine um, what the size. So I just kind of cut it like rectangle, and then the other one is slightly smaller, so I think a smaller one and a longer one will be okay. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Since this is a short, I'm trying to do it through the leg, because if it's not a short, then I have to do it through the crotch, right? It's also possible to do it that way. Just have to flip it on this side. So I have to do three patches, I guess, because I just saw three spots. Um, and this is how the patches look from the inside. So I went ahead and finished them. I wanted you guys to see how I was doing it. However, I recorded the empty times when I wasn't sewing, and when I thought I was sewing, I had my camera off. So it happens this often to me a few times with the videos. So anyway, so what I did, I always do this because I don't want these pieces to be frayed. A lot of people do overlap around them, but in this case, I just did like folding, and then versus this other job. Not sure who did this job. These are the jobs the patches I just did, but these have been done by other people. So what happens is that if you don't add any, if you don't fold the edges like this, these start to fray. You could do it like that also, but you have to add overlap around the edges. So I also did this one earlier, and I did this on her behind her behind. So these are my previous patches I did earlier, and then after that I realized that this one has other holes as well, so I just did them. So this is how it looks like from the inside. Now I'm going to show you the outside. So this is how my patches look like. They look great with this stitching and so on. I don't really want to overdo the stitching because these shorts are kind of gone basically. Um, but if I add more stitching on it, instead of reinforcing it, I'm gonna kind of break through it. So that's why I did like that, and then but kind of looks good, and I love the way how it looks inside as well without having the edges fray and stuff like that. So this is how you do patches, and that's what I have for you guys today. Hope this videos are adding value to your sewing experience. And before you take off, check out the rest of the videos. They are loaded. I uploaded one video just maybe 2 days ago about this visit I did at this embroidery machine store in California, in Cypress, California. So many things I have added like that, and I hope you find them useful and helpful. So before you take off, check out the rest of the videos and leave me a comment. If you have a question, send it my way. And that's all I have for you guys today. Have a blessed day, and I will see you next time.